sharing a couple of orange and so talk about more of Carraige red Bunscoil again. Okay, you're very welcome to join in as well. We go 3 orange, okay? August, Sheol and Torn Jarrah rules, so this is definitely know the last one. Like you were, would you like ready? Watching element, you keep one.
Watching elements, jumping cocoa, watching elements, tell me on. Watching elements, jumping cocoa, watching elements, tell me on.
Bunscoil or Bunscoil actual Bunscoil and tSléibhe agus Móna just natural budgenish. Trascoil me or Conradh Dhuibh Glór Morgan agus Daithim me and Seoladh Claigh a bhí Glór na Móna or Phobail so Marial seo bhí me gcónaí dhear le páirteach sa rabhad teanga seo. Cosí me gobar le Conradh Dhuibh Glór bhí dá agus an éis le físin Phobail ar na malad mar ifigach Ionnrachtaigh ról Carraige ar scam an Ionnrachtaigh atá cothú glúin úr de Gaeilge agus tíbreasóirí Phobail san áineal. Chur mé spéise gcónaí na tógraí dí Cilliníthe agus tá mé éis mar coid de Fhéile ceann atá taistil chun na Amazonia a ní fiúra fiche cuaig le bheith I brúlaí leis na bondúchasaí an sin. The top not big, listen to his college, obsession felt she saw up Boharithe, so Lucia's key Cilliníthe, or why had a squash, a coffee, and a virtue on Kent. Glór had kept the head and cost winters, the sheer shaw, officer Jerry, fought 5 in the Ukrainian, attack voluntary cost on imperialists. A Carraige, my name is Eimear Ionnrachtaigh. I was born and raised in the Upper Central area, where I attended the local schools, Bunscoil and tSléibhe, and then college to Carraige. My journey in Irish medium education began on this very site, where I attended Fusco and tSléibhe, where it was actually important having right over South and Hogan. I then attended Conradh as a young person and witnessed firsthand the transformative impact that this organisation and the broader Irish language movement has on this community. Because of this, I always wanted to play my role in the revolutionary language movement. I first started working in Conradh in 2022, and then recently with Phobail as a capacity officer, focusing on a new mentoring scheme which hopes to foster and empower a new generation of community language activists working in the Irish language sector. I always had an interest in Glór's decolonisation initiatives, even before working here, and I'm now working with the Mahili Kind Group, which is going through the Amazon rainforest in February to meet with the local Indigenous communities there and hopefully bring something back to our own community. Political education and especially community festivals like this one play an important role in the struggle for decolonisation, creating spaces for offered voices in our own country and countries around the world who suffer the consequences of imperialism can't be heard. Dhuibh tSléibhe an Achlad Féile na Carraige or an Upper Ionnrachtaigh and Phobail Show whose Gaeilge na Bliana. The 8 days of Féile na Carraige Festival showcase the work the Upper Springfield community does all year round, and we'd like to thank our comrades and partners who make the Féile possible. Phobail, Leasha, Conradh Gaeilge, Newhill, Radio Féile, Culturland, Radio Gaeilge, Creatives Workers Cooperative, Jargon, Media, PPR, the Nubian Association, Féile, Form Palestinian Group, Christian and Nearhemi, College of First, Móna, and so many more. And of course, a special thank you as always to Marty Keenan and Féile Media, who we couldn't do this without. And then, of course, Fhuail our Maithas Goal, list the Kind Economy, as in Bia Gaeilge and New Morris Graf. The Kind Economy is an inspiring campaign to lift the ban of the asylum seekers from working here and to start off today's launch. I would like to invite them to speak. So, Kind Economy.
because all we've been doing this morning is cooking. So good Bunscoil. I'm actually a wee bit gutted because the chefs aren't here yet. They are still like in the kitchen working away, making more food for us. But just want to say thank you so much to Glór and Móna for asking us to provide food at this event. The Kind Economy campaign does caterings as part of our activism. And like you said there, the Kind Economy is a group of asylum seekers and refugees who are excluded from employment in the North Island here because of hostile immigration policies enforced by the British government. And what we do with the catering is we showcase the skills of people in the asylum system who are banned from working, and show the importance of lifting the ban on work so that these people can share their skills with the people here. And I just want to say as well, like, a huge thank you to Glór and Móna and this community in West Belfast, because I know that through this organisation and through the communities you're doing so much to support refugees and asylum seekers and other newcomers who arrive in this area to fight against the hostile immigration policies they face with regards to employment, housing, benefits, income. You're doing so much off your own backs, and I just want to say thank you so much. And when the chefs arrive, if we can just give them a massive hand and really warmly welcome them, I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Róisín a bheith Gaeilge frictal na Féile. So I'd like to thank Róisín and to give this year's forward quote of the Féile.
That's it. le mórtín Féile. Agus is na dúirt gur bé dúilgus lucht na Gaeilge a bheith in Seoladh. Siad lucht leabhar na Gaeilge san Gaeilge. An nachme is tíróla agus is bualta den bhaintear seo a gcuine in éireann. Is mar chéile I gomsa an nachme sin, poban na Gaeilge a láú agus an Gaeilge a láú. Ní féidir an sláú sa dhéanamh ach le hagmháin na héireann. Sheol na héireann agus a chuid muoine ilig a chuirt ras de bhaintear na héireann. Is an san mar sin an réamhláid is gá chun na hagmháine agus sláú na Gaeilge. Agus an tair na acrafilms on the second coast from Carraige allow ag scoilgúirí Chaim na bhíonna Shakata. Agus is sé dúirt that the neoliberal elements of our society are definitely viewing a united Ireland as a marketing opportunity to make money out of it, for exploitation to global capital. That's the name of the game for them. But the only way that can be challenged is by having a conversation in areas with people on the ground and asking them what is their new Ireland. What does it mean to you? That's the only way in which you can really build a new society. The bottom-up, democratic activism is the only way. It's a myth that politicians change things. They don't. The people change things, up against the politicians who are dragged kicking and screaming.
Fusco, a dobar le Nóir na Móna ar Féile na blianta, agus hanis de Conradh na Gaeilge an písa scríbneach Féile le Mark na blianta. Agus mai
So Margaret Ionnrachtaigh is Brónagh, Caithne, Blianta I Gobert le Glór na Móna, Caithne Ken Ionnrachtaigh, agus Dear for Glór a Glór le Glór Díniala, couple of Phobail a chur ar Fábar, Maidir leis na Caithne ná Níl an Smoin Traffic the Glór na Móna. So Carraige bar after proper. So dear owner, just a couple of paragraphs, allow math. So just to make all the couple can allow the in short. So mar house, Tanartin can you can into how over Marlis shot and coach at have a week interact. So John is still to go federal urgent. So yeah, an urgent can you into Hogan the Glór Móna. In her skill set the tSléibhe Leasha special the Mar run or Ionnrachtaigh math or who. It got part in Abraham and Féile in Carraige, who my national license was in fact the Sheol, a honey of a Jimmy O'Hen and Yay. The license to Charlie, a Barclaigh, I got Felty or Dhuibh in Carraige. There was for Earns of his course Fiamma, Glór, O'Days, Móna, Seoladh and Féile and Ali, Hogan, at Eimear and almost late a Jimmy William and Shamagil, almost he, the late Alice and Phobail, occurred again you doing, below which exactly or willing ahi agoni. Tabuyor can be into Hogan, a cassie of the collaborate with the Fragula, Barclaigh, had just been on the other side of the no occur ever still with you. But the history of one of tea, no on base, Marvel Major, the tea and Ionnrachtaigh, share in that is changing, we should in an RV here, the Lord Móna, honey fast or urine, fast or fire breath, fast or bubble, a big part chop, and over and have access, got trapped a yanni or an as a honey or scope of the niche in the hebra. A niche, Gaeilge, Gaeilge, Féile Carraige, Bunscoil, makes it all clear, fantastic. And fast got Féile, for Side Hoka or the Barclaigh, Tasso was in Hogan, saw her Oiga Julia, at the Jerica or Yoga, Lorraine Finish Gresham, Tan half the gallons on Annam at Mar Hub, then Phobail for you on the gallon this PNG, of his town Phobail from 3 hours of the yoga, a copy of the Cliffy, Mar Bloom, or Carraige and Tehi, a Thai chap, walking in, and a mask of the NH around Carraige of the apple of Brazil, or common Oiga after cleaning, Raha more a tail, Mar adjourn shade. Nish quickly made it over the Glór Móna, Phobail and Gaeilge's meeting, it over or one, or no, I have day fasting on. After schedule a ra, it's my Carraige Sasta, the ra nar agne owl is la Hotel California. We're happy on, happy to the jaw. Agus coffee Leasha, Margale Pasta in Shaw, agus May Móna, agus Fadu and Tam, okay, May and Shaw, Lord, Fad Sailor, agus the schedule of Morado, May one needs to read the war. 10 yards very special stuff, we Lord Móna, Marsall doing or Fad, Tarlach and Falsina, Nadini, and Kowa, Shin Bonfire and Hadriak the shop, a Caribbean, a Cockian, agus Cosmian, a Boni, Najesh Polima, agus Warberhead, the Dini, and our old of the Easta, agus Marjarn and Mana Out, Mana the Leasha, Hard to hit, Jack of the Phobail, Shoy Bradini, a Ta, a Quint to Map, Eti, New Braha, La, and Yele. So our Gaeilge, Phobail, Glór Móna, Sheol like the Jane Kit, we have been out of our Supreme.
Barclaigh, and the Tamar, if got Coombe Phobail in the tournament, as you share in the wallet. So it led to like the welcome sorry, Tarlach Barclaigh, and they gave the closing remarks of today's Seoladh. He's now working as our community projects officer along with Hogan.
So it's based Tarlach Barclaigh, which we made Frothville or Glór Móna, we made sharp nail beach, cathedral, we shot jelly in the beach, it was pretty short more than a fast super sea forward, smart in New York. We go to one of the country more doing Carraige, the Marna, one service, you against the Canada, or the clinic, which we say the curse service you're fired doing, the hospice was, I get out happening. You're with me, shades egg, chat egg, because you make a work with you, not coming on again that way, the two starting to car. Maybe I'm the guy, honey, around the energy, which for me, get the treasure girls in the Asian, can't make a couple around there, come on here, the clinic, just to make a file show for that. Next time I go over to Glór Móna Foundation, possibly in a Targaist and a Federal Tahi, Conjugation Progress, College, Mile of A Happy, Desmention, Chanskilla, the Tal of Féile, Sheol. My name is Tarlach and I attended Glór from I was 7 years old until I was 17. This helped me greatly in growing and developing as a young person. Glór was a great help to us, especially since we didn't have many services in the Upper Springfield area as Irish speakers outside the school. They were providing services to us despite the lack of space, money and resources. When I turned 16, 17, I started working as a volunteer in Conradh in North Belfast. Shortly after that, I was contracted with hours. I got a few hours in the youth club in the Upper Springfield and I'm still here at present. Now I'm working for Glór through funding from the Rank Foundation, which is a 1-year position where I will get the opportunity to gain a lot of experience, helping with political education projects, as well as supporting the large range of projects that are in full swing here at Glór. The Carraige going down the Carraige, Féile Carraige, but was Glór Féile or Fhobail. The Ashwine or Cluck Mila Stall Show the Junior Moore, a Ionnrachtaigh, from Carraige or in Féile or in Saturn, Seoladh, the majority more. We have a special programme planned here ahead for Féile Carraige 2024. The Glór celebrates its 20th anniversary this year. We are delighted to mark this historic milestone with a celebratory dinner in the City Hall to close the Féile on Saturday, October 19th. On the night, guest speakers from Glór community will share their memories and the organisation's journey over 20 special years. We'll have top-class entertainment with various musicians. The landmark gala dinner event is a fundraiser for Féile Carraige, which has been gathering huge momentum in recent months, have been granted full planning approval by Belfast City Council, who have also appointed a design team to work on this transformational capital project. Féile Carraige, with an inspiring motto of participation, politics and community, is a testament to the pioneering effort undertaken by Glór in the Upper Springfield and the wider West Belfast community over the past 20 years. Ionnrachtaigh Céanna, or your colleague, but Lean Tromé from Féile Ionnrachtaigh. At the same time, in many ways, it has been a challenging year for our community since the last festival, witnessing Israeli daily genocide of the Palestinian people, the rise of the far right, and racial violence in Ireland. Neoliberalism is still in full swing, and increasing wealth for the few and poverty for the many, and much more. A Glór Féile Revolution, Antonio Gramsci, Regime Leasha, Agoni, but we will follow Antonio Gramsci's revolutionary vision. Pessimism of intellect, optimism of the will. Féile Carraige 2024, like every year so far, stands in solidarity with our comrades in Palestine, and the festival supports them in any way we can. During the 2024 festival event, funds will be raised for the Palestinian people, and we are excited that Mustafa will be with us from Belfast that day to host a workshop on the traditional Palestinian dance for those who will be here. Mar Scra, Féile Carraige, Falsera Féile, Ullshinloch, Earhead, Harmon. As we do all year round, Féile Carraige welcomes refugees, asylum seekers during the 8 days of the events, with language cultural exchanges between Irish and Arabic, community lunches with the international cuisine, anti-racist poetry and more. As always, we are excited to be working with the Dhuibh Association and the Kind Economy. The inspiring campaign calling for the lift the ban on asylum seekers' right to work in the 6 counties. That landing the Gaeilge of South World Culture, the Creed or Féile Carraige. Higgin, by Bliss Mortis, Luca or Loch Lewis, Tranagast, Plainville, is the Bunscoil actually, Scan Sprawl, Rungy Fulney, the Jeglin Mohi, Gwilly Buol, the Rabbi McGill and Cafe Urshugging. Anna. Cancourt Street Gaeilge or William and Willie, the Story Actual Sean Fennel, Cardan Chimplach, Street Gaeilge, the Feast and Phobail, which Muller the Eddie, Street Gaeilge, the Radio Culture, Moscow. Molten Film, the Carraige, Milo Kang, the Hogan group in the Gaeilge, the Taisho, and the Hamzonas in Brazil, the Me Fair, Fia Kui, and Blue Part Chapter Larry, agus na fóna lócags na Phobail one Dhuibh in Sheol. Féile na Carraige commends the whole kind, a new group of young Irish activists who will travel to the Amazon in Brazil in February 2025 to show solidarity and learn from some of the indigenous communities there. The key words of the group are education, solidarity and internationalism, and they are greatly inspired by Marshall O'Kine's famous motto, "In the strongest places against wealth and justice for the weak and the poor, may the Irish family be seen." As part of this year's festival, the Mill had organised a quiz in collaboration with Conradh to Ionnrachtaigh this Saturday to raise money. By the way, that's being postponed. However, to increase support and attendance at the significant demonstration against the US war machine's use, we shall now report to immediately end flights through Ireland supporting Israel's genocide. The Solidarity Group have postponed to the military event on the 26th of October. We hope to see you at Chandler Airport tomorrow at 1 p.m. From the Glór no more, the Fáilte Carraige, and maybe Tarlach more the Ra, one Dalton on Sheol the Móna, for Leasha for the chair. We are delighted to welcome well-known climate activist Owen Dalton to Gaeilge on a football to discuss the special discussion as he currently launches in the new book, The Magic of the Irish Rainforest around Ireland. He will join us on Tuesday, 15th of October at 7:30 p.m. There are still spaces on our Eventbrite. Make sure to book your spot before it's too late. So now more much are based off of which may clear daily, and here MEP of Sneevy, Bríhan Tarlach, will I hit their foot on the Kenya, go in the Navy, agree with the Ra, Brónagh and Marcus of their high hand, Féile Carraige. And last but not least, we're thrilled to announce Claire Daly, former Dublin MEP and working in anti-imperialist activist, will be in conversation with another prominent activist, Brónagh as part of the 2024 High Holland Lecture. We have a special conversation with Claire Daly focusing on anti-imperialism, EU militarism, Palestinian solidarity, and achieving a workers' republic and more will be discussed, as well as inspiring and continues discussed as well. Well inspiring to do this work for our future. Unfortunately, all spaces for this discussion have been fully booked. Our can caution the Féile, while on the weakest will create a goal of our Féile as a Gaeilge, goes to Seoladh, go back and make sure Carraige last special to show. On behalf of the Festival Committee, I want to say a massive gourmet and I for joining us today at the launch of Féile Carraige 2024. I hope to see all of you all over at these special days that are ahead of us. Baby then.
Agus Sullivan from African ship in the car, Victorian ship done him up to your class, Agus go back and would ship or nigger me about.